In this video, we'll explore various sample projects in AutoTRAX to demonstrate its versatile and powerful capabilities. Let's dive in and see the potential of what you can achieve with AutoTRAX. To browse the available sample projects, you'll want to start by selecting the Help tab. There, you'll find 9 distinct projects to choose from. We'll kick things off with the Arduino sample. Simply click on the Arduino button to open this project. You'll be greeted by a 3D representation of an Arduino PCB. Changing your viewpoint is as easy as clicking and dragging with the left mouse button. Moving on to the schematic aspect, switch over to the Schematic tab. Here, the high quality and clarity of the layout become apparent. You can navigate around the schematic by dragging with the middle mouse button and zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. For a closer look at the PCB design itself, select the PCB tab. The PCB appears in vibrant colors, highlighting the design's details. If you need to focus on specific layers, open the Layers panel. The Root button is particularly useful as it hides layers not needed during manual routing, while the Reset button will revert layer visibility to default settings. Experimenting with the various commands in the Layers panel on the sample project is an excellent way to learn. The Serial Backpack project, contributed by Mick from Melbourne, Australia, is another example. View the design in 3D. Examine its schematic under the Schematic tab. And inspect the PCB design under the PCB tab. Next is an amplifier design that predominantly uses discrete components. AutoTRAX also supports spreadsheet integration, as shown in the Spreadsheet project that includes several sample spreadsheets. You can also use AutoTRAX to create designs for front panels. The Front Panel project shows a sample front panel. For those interested in computer architecture, the CPU diagram project showcases the graphical capabilities to represent a CPU's logical structure. AutoTRAX isn't limited to electronic designs. It can also handle other graphic projects. The Diagram project demonstrates this with various graphics, while the Car project illustrates an automobile's electrical system connectivity. Last but not least, the Flowchart project provides an example of a flowchart diagram, illustrating procedural or workflow designs. An AutoTRAX project can be multifaceted, encompassing schematics, PCB layouts, PDF datasheets, spreadsheets, text documents compatible with Microsoft Word, and other graphical diagrams spread across multiple sheets. I encourage you to launch AutoTRAX, open these sample projects, and explore the wealth of features and functions they offer.
Thank you.